Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a little tips and tricks video for when you take some pictures or videos on your smartphone. Always take them in landscape mode. That means tilt your phone on the side. It's incredible. I was at an event this weekend and people were actually taking pictures or filming, and I noticed that everybody was, well, most people we're still taking videos in vertical mode, which is really not the way to do it, because vertical mode means if you look at these videos, if you put them on YouTube, if you put them and watch them on your smart TV, there will be little vertical videos with black bars on each side, which look weird. And it's always fun to have videos that actually take the full screen. And to take the full screen, well, I'm sorry, but you got to be in landscape mode. You got to be on the side. So always do that. Never take pictures or videos vertically. Never. It's not meant to be like that. It's meant to be in the landscape mode. And you'll have really cool pictures and videos that will take full screen, no black bars, no problems. It will be a much better experience. So that's my little tips and tricks video for today. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.